Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chavi Marathe and today I'll be preserving these pressed flowers and leaves that I made a few days ago. First, I'll take this clear tape and paste the sticky side up so that I can assemble the flowers. Next, I'm going to select some flowers. Now we can start assembling. If a few twigs are sticking out, then we can cut them carefully and paste them in different angles. We need just a tiny one for this area, so I'm looking for more. Now that the assembling is done, I'm removing the tape and pasting it on my table. Now I'm cutting another piece of tape to laminate this. I'm going to stick it carefully with my finger so as to not get air bubbles. After this, I can peel it off and cut off the edges. Now this beautiful preserved pressed flower is ready. Now let's preserve pressed ferns. Follow the same steps as I did with the flowers. Okay, so this is how they turned out. Now let's look at ways to use these preserved flowers and leaves. Here I'm using them as bookmarks. You can also use them to do some journaling, decorating them with some stickers. So this is how it looks. You could also use it as a wall hanger. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye.